When you hear the term affiliate marketing, you probably think about a complex process involving site building, content creation, SEO, funnel and email marketing, all with the eventual goal of selling a product in order to make a commission. With hard work and a lot of time, this kind of affiliate marketing can be profitable, no doubt. But there's another kind of affiliate marketing that requires a much shorter timeline to profitability. Welcome to the world of affiliate media buying. Here's how you do it in 3 basic steps. 1. Research competitors to see what affiliate offers and landing pages are already working. 2. Buy ad impressions from traffic sources to find the best combinations of traffic and affiliate offer. 3. Analyze the data and optimize your traffic buying strategies until you're profitable. With the right training and some trial and error, it's quite possible to build $1,000 a day profitable campaigns within weeks rather than years. Now, this isn't to say that affiliate media buying is easy. That's where the 6-week Affiliate Mastery Challenge comes in. Brought to you by the affiliate pioneers behind STM Forum and Affiliate World Conferences, the 6WAMC is the ultimate walkthrough to affiliate media buying. Your enrollment in the Mastery Challenge includes 6 weeks of video content from affiliate masters providing step-by-step instructions to help make your campaign successful. A team of affiliate experts who provide constant support via live chat, answering your questions in real time. Streamlined approvals and over $3,000 in bonuses from traffic sources, affiliate networks, and affiliate tools. If you're looking for an opportunity to master a new skill that can have you earning $1,000 profit per day in as little as 6 weeks, go to 6WAMC.com to launch your affiliate media buying career today.